Okay, so AI is currently the best it has been ever in history, but it is also the worst it will ever be. But you know, how can we capitalize on this before they all take our jobs? We need to make as much money as possible before that happens. How can we use it to start our own YouTube channel? So YouTube is one of the most profitable businesses out there. If you get it right, you can be earning thousands and thousands and thousands of pounds every single month, and you don't even have to have a lot of subscribers. So it would make sense that we want to use AI to try and, you know, automate this whole process for us, because who doesn't like doing very little work for a lot of money? On the screen right now is an example of a motivational channel that doesn't show his face and it just uploads motivational videos. Very easy stuff to do. This guy is earning over £100,000 a year. So this is life-changing money, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do the whole process with AI. Now, when I mean this whole video is going to be created with AI, I literally mean from the script all the way to the video editing. Everything is going to be done by the AI. I'm also going to show you how to monetize your YouTube channel before you hit the YouTube partner program. So before you've got 1,000 subscribers, you can actually still get paid with this method, like from the first week. So yeah, if this sounds good to you, definitely make sure to subscribe, because I make videos like this all the time. Okay, so the first AI tool that we're going to be using for this motivational channel is ChatGPT. Now, pretty much everyone's heard of this one by now, but you know, there's a reason why everyone knows about it. It is really good. One of its main strengths is script writing and, you know, copywriting and stuff. So let's ask it to write as a script for our first motivational video. So I've just put, I'm making a YouTube video for my motivational channel. Can you write me a script to motivate people? But as you can see, ChatGPT is currently writing as a script for our video. Now, just skim reading this, it does look pretty motivational. I think this is what we're going to be using for our video. Now, obviously you can change anything you want. You know, you can make this video exactly how you want it, but we're just sticking with what the AI tool is making us here, because, you know, I want to do as little work as possible on this motivational channel. Okay, so we're also going to ask ChatGPT to give us a name for our motivational channel, because I don't even want to come up with a name myself. I want AI to do everything. Now, out of the ones it is giving us, I like Elevate Your Mind. Sounds alright, sounds motivational, and with that we've got our script for our video, and we've also got the name of our YouTube channel. Okay, so next we need the AI to speak for us. So we're going to be using a website called 11 Labs. 11 Labs is one of the best AI text-to-speech websites in the business right now. If you've seen those, you know, Joe Biden, Donald Trump videos where, you know, they're speaking over Xbox.
All right, boys, I just joined the server.
Jesus Christ, Sleepy Joe, about time.
Let's go, I just found diamonds.
That was actually created with 11 Labs, and you know, stuff like that would be a great idea for your own YouTube channel. You know, you could make these videos like doing inspiring off that, but for now obviously we're doing motivation, so that's what we're going to stick to. So what we're going to do is go back into ChatGPT and copy and paste the motivational speech it gives us. So the problem I can see right now is that ChatGPT has told us how to make the YouTube video with like the story, with the motivational speech involved. So what I've done is I've asked it to write me a motivational speech just normally without the YouTube bit into it. So this way I can just copy and paste this and put it straight into the AI text to voice. So now we've got another motivational speech. We're going to copy that and we're going to paste it into 11 Labs, and then we're going to get a little sample of it. So we just press the play button here.
Today, I stand before you to ignite the fire within you.
So that's what pre-made Adam sounds like, and you can try loads of these different ones to get the desired voice that you want. So if we just go on to, I don't know, pre-made Arnold. I don't know if this is going to be Arnold Schwarzenegger writing as a motivational speech, because that would be pretty perfect.
Today I stand before you to ignite the fire within you.
Okay, so that's definitely not Arnold Schwarzenegger, but you get the point. You can get these people speaking for you and speaking out your scripts, which is great for us, because then that means we don't have to speak in our YouTube videos. Okay, so you actually have to make an account with 11 Labs. So what I've done here is I've just signed up with my Google account. It's all free, don't worry about it. I've gone with my pre-made Adam. I've gone for voice settings, and you can change the, you know, the clarity and the stability and stuff. It's really into depth for an AI tool. And then all you have to click is the generate button, and it's going to make this MP4 file of the audio for your motivational video completely for free. You know what? We love stuff for free. Okay, so now we've got our motivational speech, we've got our motivational narrator, all made with AI. What we're going to be doing now is getting the images in the background. So in my last video about YouTube automation, a lot of people was worrying. There was like, you know, this is copyrighted, I can't use certain images in the background and stuff. They was worried about getting copyright strike, to not being able to get monetized basically. So with this, we're going to be using AI images, and we're going to be animating them all for free, don't worry about it. But I'm going to show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to do that right now. We're going to be using a tool called Leonardo.ai. Now if you want a more more in-depth tutorial on Leonardo.ai. I made a video the other week how to use AI to make stickers and sell them on Etsy. So check that out because I go into depth with how to use it, but I'll give you the basics here. So what you do is you go to Leonardo.ai and you make an account, you say yes, I'm whitelisted, and then you go straight into AI image generation tool. So when you're in this AI generation tool, you have to ask a good prompts to use and stuff. Now what we can do for this is that original question I asked ChatGPT, it gave me ideas for the opening shots and stuff. As you can see, it's told me the opening shot is a scenic view of a sunrise over a mountaintop. So what we can do here is we can copy that and put it into Leonardo. Now a scenic view of a sunrise over a mountaintop, photorealistic. Kind of generated some images that we can use in our video. Now make sure in the image dimensions you click 16:9 so it's the right, you know, tool for YouTube. And as you can see here, we've got some nice scenic views of some mountaintops and stuff. Perfect for what we need for our video. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and create the rest of the pictures for the video just by doing the same method of putting the prompts from ChatGPT into Leonardo, and then I'll come back when all the images are done. Okay, so here are the results what Leonardo generated me. I think the results turned out pretty well. You know, these images are not anywhere else on the internet. They're completely unique to you, and I think that's pretty special in itself. So we don't have to worry about getting demonetized. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna actually animate these videos. Now that sounds a lot more harder than it actually is. We're gonna be using an AI tool for this, you know, surprisingly. Okay, so the tool that we're gonna be using is called NVIDIA. Now NVIDIA is crazy. What you do is you just copy and paste the script from ChatGPT into NVIDIA and it will create the entire video for us. You can choose from these like templates that they do. Now the one that sticks out to me the most is this interesting historical facts. I just like the black on the edges and stuff, and I think that could fit well with the motivational theme that we're going for. I'm going to click use template. We're going to copy and paste our script from ChatGPT, and then what it's going to do is it's going to create the project for us. Now if this sounds too good to be true, it's because it really is. Like stuff like this I thought, you know, our grandkids would be using. The fact that it's out now and we're literally living in the future is crazy. You know, it's going to make video editing so much easier. You know, for me, someone who spends hours and hours editing a video, you know, stuff like this just boggles my mind. You know, for people that have got no video editing experience at all, this is such a great tool. Okay, so it has created as our video, our scene. So what we can do now is just go through it. So it's also put text on the screen as well, which is great. Now what we can do here is actually put in some of the images we made with Leonardo. You know, because some of these images that it's chosen are a bit, you know, bad to say the least. Like what are these white flowers doing on my screen right now? So we can just drag and drop our pictures from Leonardo. Okay, so once you've done that, as you can see, it has put the images to the video perfectly. You know, our AI images are looking really good here, and you can actually see that it's put some background music onto it and it's put the text on it for us. So it looks a little something like this.
Today, I stand before you to ignite the fire within you, to awaken the dormant potential that resides in your very core. I want you to envision a life beyond your wildest dream.
So yeah, this is absolutely perfect for YouTube. These motivational videos do really, really well. And the fact that you can do all of this with AI is just really showing us how crazy the world is turning. Yeah, if I was making my own YouTube channel for this motivational stuff, what I do is I just post, you know, once a week, these motivational videos. They don't take that long to make. You know, we've just made one in like, what, 15 minutes? Really, really easy to do. But now, if you want to monetize your channel before you actually, you know, hit the 1,000 subscriber threshold, what you can do is you can use affiliate marketing. So what I'd do is I'd go onto a website like Awin. Now I use Awin for all my affiliate marketing. You know, I've earned thousands and thousands of pounds with them. I highly recommend. I'll put a link down in the description. But what I'd do on Awin is I'd find some company that, you know, does something motivational. If you're making a motivational channel, you know, if you're doing some gym stuff, maybe find a fitness company. So just type in fitness on Awin and then you'll get a link, and basically you can put that link in your description and you'll get paid for every person that clicks that link. Now I've actually got a video explaining this whole process a lot better. I'll link that down in the description as well. It's called affiliate marketing, $0 to $1,000 in a week. Yeah, definitely check that out. If you're wanting to take this, you know, YouTube channel seriously and monetize it, that video is for you. But anyways, I hope you enjoy this video, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.